Bitcoin is forming right now a new bullish pattern, but the question is, will this pattern be validated and will we break to the upside, or will we get a fake out? That is something that I want to talk about. And guys, thank you really much again for all your love and your comments on my last video. I really appreciate that. But let's get here straight into the charts. My name is Alex from AMCrypto. So here on Bitcoin, I will not waste your time today really long because I have some commitments. So we are forming on the 4-hourly chart a potential W pattern. This W pattern, if I take here the neckline and then the technical target, it could break out all the way up here to $50,400. So, but for that we have first of all to complete the second leg here to the upside and break above the neckline, retest it and bounce to the upside. So there are a lot of ifs right now. So I will leave it for the moment here. Yeah, but we should be aware we could also just come here a little bit up, not complete the W and roll over. That is also a scenario. But for now, we have already almost completed this W pattern. So I would not ignore it for the time being. Let us also quick get here on I want to show you here something else. Here on Twitter, credits going to Gabor Gurbax. I hope I pronounced correctly. Every time China is banning Bitcoin, and here I want that you pay attention. This is something bullish. Let China ban Bitcoin as many times they want. I really like to see more bans from China for Bitcoin. And here you see actually why. When we are looking here at the ban in 2013 and the Bitcoin price where it was since then, since the first ban, Bitcoin moved 3,623% up and analyzed 58.9%. So in the last 8 years, you would have had a return per year of 58.9% if you would have bought at that price. Then they banned it again in September 2017, where the price was $4,000, still 940% return. So and the lower, the closer we get to today, obviously the lower the percentage move was since then. It's simple math. But what will happen when we look back now in 8 years from now with the Bitcoin price? So guys, I believe we will see another 3,000% move from where the price is now. So now think about where that will Bitcoin put to. That would mean one Bitcoin would be worth $12 million. Let that sink in, guys. $12 million for one Bitcoin in 8 years. So, and here you can also see it here on the curve. For the first time when Bitcoin got banned here, and now the next time. So I'm here on a logarithmic chart. So just that you see it also here visualized. There, 1,394% in price since it got the first time banned. So which is crazy over that time span. Now let's get here into Ethereum. So Ethereum had here this rising wedge, and that broke obviously to the downside and almost hit also the technical target all the way down here. And now we are forming a continuation pattern, and that is a symmetrical triangle, most likely here. Yeah, so and it is a continuation pattern because we're coming out of a downtrend. And then when we're getting a symmetrical triangle, normally we continue to roll over here to the downside. And the technical target for this would be, oh sorry guys, the technical target for this pattern would be all the way down here at $2,618. So you might get a chance to scoop up some Ethereum even at cheaper prices than what we are looking at right now. But just in case, so we could also break to the upside. So, and the break to the upside would bring us to $3,166. So, but because we are leaning here heavily to the bearish side right now with the breakdown and also with this continuation pattern, my money is on breaking to the downside for now. And guys, if you want to take advantage of this volatile market and you want to trade this pattern to the downside, once it's breaking to the downside, then you can go here to Phemex or to Bybit. And yeah, you find both links, both affiliation links in the pinned comment below. You get a deposit bonus of $1,200 on Phemex and $600 on Bybit with my links only for you guys, my community. So then let's jump here quick into Cardano. Cardano was hitting here our technical price target as I had predicted it a couple days ago, perfectly to the dollar. So we have completed here now the technical target for our W pattern that we had formed down here. So congratulations to each and every one of you guys that had taken advantage of my trade call here. If you would have traded that with a 10x leverage on Bybit or on Phemex, you would have made here a quick 126% with this trade call. With 20x it would have been definitely be more, but I would have stayed here in a 10x, because look at this here with that wick. You would have gotten wicked out with a higher leverage trade than 10x. So congratulations to everyone that traded with 10x or less this to the upside. So now we are hitting here resistance, obviously, and we have to see if Cardano can actually push through it. Also with the news that we are having for tomorrow, that Cardano summit, it could be that we continue to rally here slightly to the upside. But when I look at this here, so this looks like another rising wedge here. So we should be trading here a little bit careful. And for those that still might be in the trade, I would recommend, yeah, definitely that you should take some profits on your trade. Yeah, because we are here in that rising wedge. So, and this should break down soon to the downside. Then let's have also a quick look at Solana. Solana is still respecting our upwards trending sloping support line here, which is really nice. But we are running here into resistance from this level here, this downwards trending resistance line here, here's resistance. But we're getting closer and closer to the apex of both lines, yeah, converging, and Solana has to make a decision either to break it to the downside or to break it to the upside. But I believe Solana might break it to the upside. Cardano is running against the grain when it comes to drops right now. So my bet would be here a break to the upside. So, and you can trade this here. Once we're breaking above $145, you could open a long position. And if it breaks $130, there you can open a short position. And just for the Ethereum trade really quick, if we break over $2,970 approximately, there you can open a long. And at $2,800, I would open a short position. And then yeah, put accordingly also stop losses. So if we break to the downside, the stop loss would be for me at $2,970. And if we break to the upside, then my stop loss would be my entry for my short at $2,800. Yeah, if you enjoyed this content, guys, please don't forget to subscribe and also activate the notification bell up there. I really appreciate each and every one of you that's subscribing to the channel, watching my videos every day. You show me so much love. I met already some of my subscribers here in Dubai. If you meet me here in Dubai by accident at the Dubai Mall or at another place, please come up to me, take a picture if you want. Let's talk a little bit. I really enjoy meeting you guys. But let's get here obviously quick back into the charts. So when we are getting here back to Bitcoin, I also want to show you something on the daily chart. So on the daily chart, it could be besides that small candle here. I'm sorry guys that my daily chart gets here really messy right now. So let me remove here this and this for a second. So it could be that we are here in a huge falling wedge that nobody is talking about. So, and if that is the case, then we should come up here soon again a little bit to test this resistance. And if we are getting rejected, that would be for me the confirmation that we are in this falling wedge. And we should then get all the way back down to the bottom one more time. And that is also, there is also the golden pocket lining up on the Fibonacci retracement levels at $38,000 approximately. So that target makes a lot of sense to get back down here, and then we should get our breakout to the upside, and then we never see again potentially these prices. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, yeah, I hope I will see you tomorrow again. Please smash up the like button, destroy the YouTube algorithm, click subscribe button, activate the notification bell, really important, all notifications, and I see you tomorrow.